Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have decided to use this space to show my progress as a digital marketer. I have tried a few businesses before, such as dropshipping, print on demand, and publishing. These have not been as successful as I wanted them to be. Some of them have just plain failed. This channel will be the accountability process for my next venture, affiliate marketing. I will show all the steps I make going through this business model, including the products I market and the results I obtain for any of the experiments I conduct. You can watch along as I tackle this new endeavor, or even better, I invite you to start it with me and hold each other accountable and even share notes on what is working or not. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the videos as I try to succeed in affiliate marketing. I'll see you on the other side.